Hi, welcome everybody. Welcome to TechGrowthStocks channel. Today I present you a new episode. Specifically, I will give you part 2 of the strong tech growth stocks for 2021. So if you missed part 1 of the series, please have a look on my channel. There are also 5 excellent strong tech growth stocks. So have a look on my channel if you want to look that. And in this video now, I give you 4 tech growth stocks with very strong growth and in the tech space and very strong momentum as well. And I think these are leading stocks for 2021, for the start of 2021. So make sure to watch that video until the end so that you do not miss any of these stocks. And before I start right off with the first stock, I have to make a short disclaimer. This video does not constitute financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only, so please consider that. And also one quick note, please subscribe now to my channel with the link in the description below so that going forward you do not miss any market leading stocks from me, and also that you do not miss part 3 of the tech growth stocks for 2021. So please subscribe now. Okay, everybody. So this was it for the intro. So let's start right off with the first tech growth stock for 2021. And it is, as you can see it here in the chart, EVTY, Evolution Gaming Group. Here you can see the longer term chart of Evolution Gaming. As you can see, it was an IPO in August 2016. After its IPO, it formed a nice IPO base here, and it could break out of that base in April 2017, form a nice uptrend. Here it had again in 2018 and had again a consolidation phase, but it could break out of that consolidation phase in April 2019, form a nice and very strong uptrend since then. Short-term chart, you see an uptrend here. You see here we build a base, which is a period of pause in the stock when after the stock has been advancing, and yeah, we broke out of that here. We built a high handle, also a period of pause, and we could break out of that high handle, and now it looks like we want to continue with the stock advance in Evolution Gaming. Evolution Gaming's growth characteristics are very good. The EPS growth is very strong with 104%. The sales growth is also good with 50%. And the relative strength rating is very good as well with 94. And it's in a hot sector in the leisure space. So I think Evolution Gaming is definitely a very strong tech growth stock for 2021. Okay, so that was it for Evolution Gaming. Now let's have a look at the next strong tech growth stock for 2021. And it is EVTY. Here you can see the longer term chart of EVTY, and as you can see, EVTY has been an IPO in April 2015. After its IPO, it formed a downtrend, but it could until February 2016, and then it reversed from that low and formed a nice new uptrend until, let's say, March 2019, and then we had a consolidation phase as well, where we made the low last year in March, and we could reverse from that low, break the downtrend, and form a nice and very strong uptrend in EVTY. In the short-term chart, you see that uptrend here, and you can see as well, if you look at the long-term chart, here we bounced off the 100-day moving average 2 times here and here, and recently we accelerated to the upside and into new high ground, and over the last 4 to 5 trading sessions we came back a little bit in EVTY, but still we are holding up strongly. EVTY's growth characteristics are excellent. The EPS growth is very strong with 483%. The sales growth is also very strong with 132%. And the relative strength rating is very good with 95. and Etsy is in a hot sector in the online retail space. So I think Etsy is definitely a very strong tech growth stock for 2021. Okay, so that was it for Etsy. Now let's have a look at the next strong tech growth stock for 2021. And it is IDEX, IDEX Laboratories. Here you can see the longer term chart of IDEX, and as you can see, we have been in a quite long-term uptrend in IDEX. And yeah, with the corona pandemic, we had also a breakdown in IDEX, but the breakdown was very quick, and we could recover from that March low in 2020, trade strongly to the upside, and form a nice and new uptrend in IDEX. The short-term chart, you see that uptrend here. You see as well here we had a short-term period of pause in the uptrend, but we could break out of that period of pause and continue the uptrend. Yeah, IDEX growth characteristics are good. The EPS growth is good with 28%. The sales growth is also okay with 11%, and the relative strength rating is okay as well with 85. And IDEX is in a hot sector in the medical diagnostics and devices space, which has been a very good sector over the past years. So I think IDEX is definitely a very strong tech growth stock for 2021. Okay, so that was it for IDEX. Now we come to the last strong tech growth stock for 2021 for today, and it is HZNP, Horizon Therapeutics. Here you can see the longer term chart of Horizon, and as you can see, yeah, we were in a downtrend from July 2015 until we made a low with that downtrend in June 2017. We could reverse from that low, trade to the upside, break the downtrend in May 2018, and since then we have been forming a very nice and very strong uptrend in HZNP. Yeah, Horizon, in the short-term chart, you see an uptrend for Horizon very nicely. And you can see as well, since August, we have been consolidating or base building in Horizon and moving sideways. So we are in a pausing phase in the uptrend. And I think soon we could break out of that pause and continue the uptrend in Horizon. Horizon Therapeutics growth characteristics are excellent. The EPS growth is very strong with 1,290%. The sales growth is also very strong with 67%, and the relative strength rating is okay with 86. So I think Horizon is definitely a very strong tech growth stock for 2021. Okay, everybody. So these were the tech growth stocks for 2021. I hope there are some nice stocks in that video for you, which you can use for your research. And also, please subscribe now to my channel with a link in the description below, so that going forward you do not miss any market leading stocks from me. Please subscribe now. And also, yeah, if you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? This would help me very much. And yeah, I hope to see you again soon in the future. And I wish you good luck in trading for this exciting year 2021, which I think will be an very strong year for every one of us, because there's so much fiscal and monetary stimulus going on, and it will be here to stay for years to come. And this will, I think, in the end lead to an enormous asset price inflation. And if you want to take advantage of that, I think stocks are a very good asset class to consider and to focus on in this asset price inflation. Okay, so that was it for today, and I hope to see you again soon. Cheers.